Alright, what is up everybody? Welcome back to another video. Before I get into this video, if you are new here, please smash that subscribe button and hit bell notifications because we are 1 subscriber away from 20 subscribers and hopefully we get to 100 subscribers by the end of this year. But anyways, let's get on into the video. Also guys, I just want to explain something. The video that I posted last time of the drop, the reason why the clip was so short was because if you were there, you knew that the Supreme website was lagging and the actual footage that I got wasn't good due to the fact that the website was lagging, so I had to get the most important piece, so I just put the checkout. But as you guys saw, I checked out the pimple tee and the Anno the mini tee, which I don't know which shirt I have here. I have the package, like I said, as you guys saw in the title. This is Supreme Week 18 unboxing. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to make this into 2 parts because I don't know if both of the shirts are in here or if this is one shirt. I'll have to see right now. But like I said, subscribe and hit bell notifications so you can see more videos like this. I really appreciate it and it really helps me be more confident about my videos. But let's get straight into the unboxing. Alright y'all, so we're gonna get straight into this package. I don't even think I need the 9th claw, but hopefully we get a sticker pack for this one. I don't know which shirt this is. I just saw that Supreme was sending it to me. Hopefully this is what I think it is. If it's not, then I'm not sure, but those motion logos went quick, and y'all saw that the actual lag in Supreme, like one of the motion logos was there and all that. And yes, we got a sticker pack, y'all. So we got a sticker pack. We got the, wow, they actually gave me the split sticker and then the dinosaur sticker. You know, I was looking for something better. Hopefully we get another better sticker pack in the other thing, but here is the shirt. Now, in hand, this is the Anno the mini tee. Now, in hand, this looks pretty sick. I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to hold this and see if it does a little better, because right now, resale on this item is pretty crazy. Man, this is so, this printing it's pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie. I'm honestly thinking about taking it off my page and keeping it for myself because, guys, this is cool. I don't know. I might have to keep this. I'm not sure. I'm thinking of whether or not to keep it or I don't know. I'm gonna have to think hard a little bit here. This tee is super dope. And it does say Anno Domini 1994, and then it says published, right? Established in New York City, and then it says spring/summer 2020, and then it says Supreme. I mean, this is a super clean but nice, tee. Here is the size tag for y'all wondering how it looks like. Sorry, my quality is not the best. And if y'all wondering how the little label looks like, I'll put that here so y'all can screenshot it and compare it to yours. Yeah, you know what, I don't know, I really don't know, because if you guys don't know, there's a similar tee like this. I'm not sure if it's a spring-summer tee, but I put it up on the screen, I forgot the name, but it says Supreme on it, and that shirt goes for like 100 something plus. I don't know, but I'm like, whether to do it or not. This sticker pack, I'm kind of like, alright, it's fine. The only thing is that I don't like this split thing. Like, I'm not a big fan of that, so I'm probably gonna sell that sticker, maybe. And the dinosaur sticker is pretty cool too. I mean, it's not bad, but I'm waiting on my pimple tee, so this is obviously gonna be in 2 parts, so this is the shirt. You know what, I'm gonna keep this for myself, and I'm gonna keep it in the bag because I just don't want to unds it just yet. So I'm gonna pull this out one day. But yeah, this is the tee. I don't want to pull it out. It's just stand. I'll put a picture up here of the full actual thing, and you know how the label looks out of the package, because I don't want to unds this just yet, just in case I do end up changing my mind. But yeah, guys, so Supreme, pretty simple video, nothing really crazy. Still waiting on my other order since y'all were like DMing me and being like, oh, you didn't get nothing. this and that. You probably just faked the video. How can you fake an order confirmation video, y'all? You know, just ignore those people. But anyways, y'all, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Like I said, we're so close, 1 subscriber away from 20 subscribers, and there's more videos coming out like this, guys. Just, you know, give me a, what am I saying? So yeah, guys, I hope you like this video. I'm sorry I'm talking low. It's kind of late when I'm filming this. But yeah, this week, Supreme Week 18 was okay. I mean, resale on some of these stuff is looking good. What really was good for resale that you cooked up, any one of y'all that cooked up Emotion logo are making so much bread. Like, I don't understand how y'all got that. It sold out like this, and I tried getting a size. I tried getting the red one, and I was like, why is it taking so long for this to sell out? I would have thought like all of the colors would have sold out, and it was just a glitch in the Supreme website, and I was like, man, like, what's going on? So I just gave up, and then it ended up selling out because it was like a glitch in the system on the website. But yeah, guys, look for another video. I'm going to be doing a video in a few, or probably tomorrow, about some sneaker releases, so be waiting for that video. You don't want to miss it. Stay subscribed and hit the notifications, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.